Hey YouTube, it's Charity, and I'm coming today to show you a little bit of something that I created for Aries. Trying to find it here on the side in Photoshop. I'd already started creating something for her. My kid is in love with My Little Pony and just all the cutesiest, girliest of things. I started, let me import this image before I forget. Okay, the space that I'm working with, my pillow is 15 by 15. So this white box is what is, don't mind me. Um, this white box is, sorry, I can't design and talk. This white rectangle that I put in the background is 15 by, let me check, I think 15 by 13. Yeah, 15 by 13 because I'm using 13 by 19 paper. And Um, I might take it down a little bit. Well, really, it's not on the edges. I was just afraid of while doing my pillow, just leave that here. While doing the pillow, everything will not be on it. Because you know when there's like some curves to the pillow, that kind of situation. Okay, so for the most part, really for these ponies, it doesn't matter if they're off. I want them to be in the mix, though. I want one over here. I'm gonna flip it. And of course, here comes Eris. You need what, baby? A chocolate cookie. Okay, give me a second.
They put her right there in the middle.
Put her right here?
No, in the middle. No, in the middle.
In the middle of what? I can't tell where you're pointing at.
This is so weird.
Oh, this was not supposed to be a you and me thing. I was designing it for you. Where do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This.
Just over some more?
Yeah, this is so tiny.
So tiny?
Yeah, this like this one.
Okay, super tiny. So mommy is recording for YouTube right now. Might as well say hi.
Okay.
They can hear us right now.
How
Okay.
you can?
Yep,
Where are you?
on the computer, silly. You can say hi if you like. If not, okay.
Hi, it's me, Alice.
What am I making?
I don't know.
This is for your pillow, right? Your sequin pillow.
My secret pillow. We're gonna put it on the rainbow and we're gonna put it on the rainbow and back again. I'm gonna put it on my secret pillow. And it have so many rainbow colors.
I'm going to show it to them. Okay, so far.
And you really need a chocolate cookie, Mommy?
Okay, I'm really going to get you a chocolate cookie. I'm just wait until I print this. Okay, so I really think so far so good. Let me maybe move her in. I want her cut off anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, file, print.
Nope.
I'm gonna adjust the settings. Let's see. Yeah, that's the printer. I'm not using tabloid paper. I have up to my life. I think it's B5, Super B. There you are. Super B, premium presentation mat, more options, Mirror image. Why can't we see some of her background? So this kind of shows you how things are going to look as soon as you print them. So I'm going to go to cancel. Okay, you sure can. I'm so happy. I'm actually going to. Oh, background is gone. Okay, background is gone. That's gone. Okay, Eris, I really heard you the first time. I really did. I really did. Ma'am, I got this. Okay, so you just have to continue to wait. So she can even come up a little more. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I'm just removing some of the background so that there won't be such an overlay. I'm gonna go try out my print again. Yeah, I don't see anything. Yes, Eris. Also, if I didn't want to, if I wanted to utilize this full paper, I'd also put something here. Can't think of what that something would be. I might just do the rest of the little ponies. I know it. I'm not gonna lie. I've already started. About to load up my craft investments paper. Listen. Craft investments paper. It's bent a little bit. Hopefully that won't matter. But I'm going to do print. Everything should still be the same, but let me check. High speed. I do not have a problem with high speed typically, but if I do, I don't mind reprinting. Proceed, and I'll be back showing you guys the press. Okay, so this came to me sequin side up, and I've just been pushing the sequin the opposite direction to the white side. So you need as much visible white as possible. You may have to do more than just push it over. In some instances, you could use like a sharper tool or your fingernail to flip it to the white side, because if you don't get a good press the first time, you're gonna have gaps in your image. That's okay for some images. Some with more detail, probably not the case. I've only done one sequin pillow before this, by the way, and it was not from this particular vendor. Okay. So yeah, I'm not going to stress too much because I think my design is one that does not require a whole lot of what do you call it? Whatever I was saying about, oh, it allows for more mistakes because the background is white. So, okay, how to do this. Okay, press image. Yeah, this is gonna be the top of here. Yeah. And as much as you see something going on, flip it back. I was thinking, and I might pre-press this just to have some, oh shoot. Okay, so what you typically do to flatten things out, lesson 1, you can't flatten like you used to. Okay. And it's getting warm already. So I'm gonna do like the quickest pre-press ever. Oh, shoot. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, change of plans, doing it this way so that I can show you that I'm keeping my zipper out of the press. So this will be the actual way that it is on here. Now this is the image of what I did for my daughter. I used 13 by 19 inch paper. And I am just casually ripping the area around it. And if you have not ever done this, then don't just zoom through. This is going to signify the beginning, well, the top of my image. Okay. I'm going to do it for the end too. And I think this really matters more with when you're doing like a fabric kind of thing, but with this, I think being sequin, this won't really be necessary. When you're doing fabric things, you do kind of want to do a jagged cut because your paper might leave an imprint in your substrate. Okay, I think my size is good. Would have missed a spot right here. Again, with my background being white, it might not make that big of a difference. Oh. And don't be in a rush to do this, y'all, because you don't want to mess up. And not in a way to be afraid, but if you'll do something ahead of time that will help you visually see where your mistakes are going to be, then I would, do everything that can be perfect. So quick little press, just a tap, just to see the climate. Okay, don't forget with all subs, you mirror image. Putting it down. And I don't have something on the bottom because, one, I don't feel like it'll go all the way through, and I'm going to press the back side, but most definitely going to protect my plate. Use your regular heat setting, I would say. For me, the sweet spot on my machine is 430 for 120. So I'm gonna do that. I think everything's lined up. Cool. I could have used tape, but I like to leave on the edge. Okay. Make sure everything. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, that's sequin. I was about to say, what? So you see this whole zipper is off. So it really doesn't have a good chance at melting.
I have a little bit of a video, which I may try to add it if this doesn't take too long. That shows me kind of the end stages of this design from our ears. And I plan on merging the two to create, one video. Again, if this doesn't take too long, I've had to try to start over I don't know how many times because everybody wants to talk when I'm recording. Yep. But they're hungry. We're in quarantine stages. I've had this pillow for months. And because we have extra time, I figured, hey, why not? I'm also going to be working on a tumbler. I got this little spinet from Michael's forever ago, but I'm going to put it to use now that Corona has everybody on lockdown. If you can hear my voice, I hope that your family is doing well, and that everyone's hopeful. We'll get through all of this. So far, I've heard rumors April, then in May, but no matter when, and hopefully it's sooner than later, we'll get through this. Okay, so I'm sure it's super hot. I mean, super hot. And some of these, is this all? Oh, it's like in between. I'm about to say, some of these got print. Oh, and some did. Okay, so some of my sequin bent because they were in fact under, okay. Ooh, la la. I don't know if you guys can see this. Ooh. Shoot, it's hot. So I'm gonna let it chill for a minute. I love it. Oh. Okay. So yeah. Let's switch it around. This is super cute. She's gonna love it. She loves these little, My Little Pony people. And I just wanted to add these girls. I think they're super cute.